Hello guys, for today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 best swing trading strategies that will literally give you profit. So for those who are new to my channel, again, as I always said, this video is not a financial advice, but purely for educational purposes only. With that being said, let's get started. Swing trading is a strategy used by traders to capture the trend of the market. It usually takes 2 days to 2 weeks to hold the position. Typically, a swing trade uses 1 hour time frame to a 4 hour time frame. Swing trading is recommended for beginners to avoid sudden market volatility. In this video, I will teach you how to set and forget your trade so you can avoid panicking at the sudden price change. So first in my list is the famous moving average crossover strategy. This is easy, so I bet you can understand it immediately. Let's go to the chart. I will use this strategy in 1 hour time frame. Then let's apply the 10 moving average and the 30 moving average. Now for our entry condition, it needs to satisfy 2 conditions to consider it valid. First, the moving averages should cross and are heading upwards. Second, the candlestick should be seen above the crossover. If you meet these conditions, you can now place your position. Place your entry on candle close. Put your stop loss below the recent swing low. For the target, set it 2 times the risk. After setting the stop loss and target, you can now leave it there until the target hits or is stopped out. Just set the alarm for both prices so you know when to come back and see your position. Check for these couple of examples. Now for taking a short position, just do the reverse. Look for a downward crossover and make sure that the candle is below the crossover. Then place your entry on the candle close. Put your stop loss above the recent swing high. For the target, set it 2 times the risk. Take these few more examples. Now let's move on to the next trading strategy. This is a unique trading strategy that doesn't need any indicator, just pure price action only. Without further ado, let's jump to it. For this strategy, you need to change the candle style to Heikin Ashi. If you go back to my previous videos, you can see what Heikin Ashi looks like. For this strategy, we need to follow these 3 conditions. First, the previous candlesticks must be decreasing in size. Second, the green candle should appear with a longer body than the previous red candle. Lastly, the next green candle should be longer with little or no shadow. If you meet the 3 conditions, you can now take your position. Place your entry on the candle close. Drag your stop loss on the previous swing low, then set your target 2 times the risk. Let me show you another trade opportunity. You can see in the chart that it provides multiple entries on a trending market. Now for taking a short position, you just have to do the reverse. First, look for candlesticks that are decreasing in size. Next, the red candle should appear with a larger body. Lastly, the next red candle should be longer with little to no shadow. Once all conditions are met, you can now take a short position. Place your entry on candle close with the stop loss on previous swing high and with a target of 2 times the risk. Let me show you more examples. So let's move to the last trading strategy. For our last trading strategy, we need 1 common indicator, alright? Apply the 21 moving average. In this strategy, we need to satisfy 3 conditions. First, the price should break out the 21 moving average. Second, the price made a pullback to the 21 moving average. Lastly, it should bounce immediately and print a strong green candle. Once all conditions are met, we can now enter a position. Place the entry on a candle close to a bullish pattern or strong green candle. Put your stop loss on swing low and set the target 5 times. Now for taking a short position, First, look for a price action breaking down the 21 moving average, then wait for a pullback and immediate bounce. Check this chart. Once all conditions are met, we can now enter a position. Place the entry on a candle close to a bearish pattern or strong red candle. Put your stop loss on swing high and set the target 5 times. This is a profitable strategy, but it follows strict conditions. Also, due to its strict condition, this kind of setup is rare in the market. But once you catch it, it can give you big profits. This strategy is best used not lower than 1 hour time frame. You must stick to the conditions to avoid getting wiped out by the market. All strategies that I'm sharing with you are not a 100% win, so make sure you follow correct money management. If you have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to hear from you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos like this. Until next time, see you.